Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder what makes a sentence mean something? Or why a question feels different from a statement? Forget the fluff. We're diving straight into the DIKWP model: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. It's like a secret decoder ring for language, revealing its hidden structure. In the next few minutes, we'll see how this framework unlocks the very essence of meaning and thought. Ready? Let's go. Alright, let's break down the DIKWP ladder. Think of it as climbing from raw facts to ultimate purpose. First, data. Pure, unadulterated stuff, like sensor readings or just words on a page. Sameness, no context yet. Then, information. We start seeing patterns, differences, connections. Raw data gets organized, like recognizing an object in a blurry picture. Next, knowledge. This is where we build rules, laws, complete understanding. Think all mammals have lungs, that's knowledge. Above that, wisdom, applying that knowledge to make decisions, choose the best path based on goals. And finally, the crown jewel, purpose, the why behind it all. The driving force, the goal, the intention. It gives direction to everything below. Simple, right? But the magic happens when they interact. Now, here's the kicker. Every problem you encounter is basically a semantic tension, a gap between what you know and what you need to figure out. Maybe it's missing information, conflicting knowledge, or a decision that doesn't align with your goal. The DIKWP model provides the perfect tool to resolve this tension through a semantic closed loop. Think of it like this. You ask how to boil water at 90 degrees Celsius. Your purpose is accuracy. Wisdom says you need a reliable indicator. Knowledge tells you about boiling stages. Information might be observing bubbles. And the data is actually seeing those bubbles. See how it flows. From the high-level goal down to the raw observation and back up again. Expressing the problem clearly is often half the solution because the structure of the question already maps out the steps needed to close that loop. So, how does this apply to actual language? Every single sentence, whether it's asking what happened or stating all metals conduct electricity, can be mapped onto these 5 layers. Questions often reveal the missing piece. Are you asking for data? Missing facts? Information? Context? Knowledge? Rules? Wisdom? A decision? Or purpose? The motivation? Statements do the same, just asserting something at a specific level. This leads us to the categorical semantic graph. Imagine a network where nodes are data points, information links, knowledge rules, wisdom strategies, and purpose goals. Edges show how they connect. Suddenly, language isn't just fuzzy human stuff. It becomes a structured, potentially computable system. We can check for consistency, find reasoning paths, even compare how different people or AI understand the same thing. It turns subjective interpretation into objective analysis. And here's where it gets really mind-bending. This DIKWP framework doesn't just analyze language, it mirrors the very structure of human consciousness. Sensation is like data, perception like information, memory/knowledge, thought like wisdom, and will/intention like purpose. By building systems that replicate this layered structure, especially with that crucial top-down feedback loop from purpose guiding attention and action, we can simulate consciousness. Even self-awareness could be seen as an internal observer within the system watching its own processes. Subjectivity. That's just having a unique personal semantic graph. The challenge? Bridging these gaps, aligning our graphs with others, or even with AI. The dream? Moving beyond opaque black box AI towards transparent, white box reasoning machines that truly understand and act with purpose. Food for thought, huh? That's the DIKWP power.